Potato juice helps in removing dark circles, age spots, and wrinkles. Aloe vera gel works well to remove acne and blemishes and moisturize skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY potato gel. You will need 1 teaspoon of potato juice. Potato juice is a natural whitening and bleaching agent containing potassium, fiber, B vitamins, manganese, and vitamin C. It helps tighten and erase stubborn tan lines from the skin, resulting in a more youthful appearance. Mix with 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel on your face every day to moisturize the skin and soothe minor irritation as long as you are not allergic. Mix these ingredients, apply on your face as a natural moisturizer.